How to delete all liked videos on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to delete all liked videos in YouTube. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch YouTube application on your device and sign into your account. Head towards the U icon at bottom right to access profile. Tap on gear icon at top right corner of the screen to access settings. From the setting panel, tap on manage all history. Now you will land on this history page where you have to tap on interactions at top right corner. And here you will see all the video interactions. Select video likes and dislikes. And here you will find all the liked and disliked YouTube videos. To delete all those liked videos, you can tap on the cross mark next to the timeline and again continuously tap on the X mark. If you have the feature to delete all at once, you can even do that. And here you can see that it has been permanently deleted from your YouTube. So I hope this guide was helpful to delete all the liked videos on YouTube. I hope this guide was helpful and clear. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then subscribe for more tech and tips videos.